Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you. The chair, the floor, the earth, holding you completely in the air-backed day, and you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, beautiful rhythm of your own breath, not trying to change it, just noticing it, in and out. The air, cool as it enters, warm as it leaves, and with each exhale, you can release a little more of the day, a little more of any thought that doesn't serve this moment of peace. I am here, speaking to you, and you are here, listening, and that is all that is required right now. Simply listening. And perhaps you can notice a sense of safety arriving, a knowing that in this space you are free to explore, free to feel, free to transform. Your conscious mind can relax like a trusted friend sitting quietly in the corner, allowing the deeper, wiser parts of you to come forward and receive, and you might begin to notice sensations in your body, not as problems to be solved, but as messages, as whispers of life moving within you, a tingling in your fingers, the weight of your clothes on your skin, the steady, reliable pulse of your heart. Now, I invite you to remember a time. It doesn't have to be a grand event, just a moment when you felt truly well. A moment of simple, vibrant health. Perhaps it was waking up from a deep, restful sleep, feeling refreshed, or stepping outside into fresh air and sunlight and taking a deep, satisfying breath that filled your lungs completely. Or maybe it was after moving your body in a way that felt good, a stretch, a walk, a dance, where you felt strong and capable and alive. This adds every fill to you cut to compute for paste. Or maybe it was after moving your body in a way that felt good, a stretch, a walk, a dance, where you felt strong and capable and alive. Find that memory now, and as you find it, step into it. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds that were around you, and most importantly, feel what you felt in your body, that sensation of wellness, of energy available to you, of everything working in harmony. Good. Thouses thou Dane, talks at sis tid pride tees, vel scowls. Place your hand gently over your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand, the gentle pressure, and as you feel that peak sensation of remembered wellness, that vibrant, healthy energy, you can press your hand slightly against your chest, and as you do, imagine that feeling doubling, tripling, becoming a brilliant golden light right there in your heart center. This touch, this pressure over your heart is now becoming a neurological anchor, a switch, a direct line to this state of perfect health. Now, release the hand and let the memory fade for just a moment. And then, place your hand on your heart again. Press gently and watch as that golden, vibrant feeling returns instantly, stronger and more automatic each time. Excellent. Your mind and body are learning, creating a new pathway, a shortcut to vitality. Now, from this anchored space of wellness, we begin. The words you hear will be seeds, and your subconscious mind is the fertile soil, ready to receive them, nurture them, and grow them into your lived reality. I am a being of vibrant, radiant health. This is not a hope. It is a truth my body is remembering with every cell. Every system within me knows how to function in perfect, harmonious balance. With every breath I take, I draw in pure, healing energy. I see this energy as a brilliant, white gold light. It flows in with the air, filling my lungs, and from there, it dissolves into my bloodstream, and I can feel it now. This light, carried by my loyal heartbeat to every part of my body. Head, it reaches my toes, my fingertips, the crown of my head. Head, it nourishes every organ, every muscle, every single cell. Head, and as it nourishes, it cleanses. Head, I release what no longer serves my health with every exhale. Toxins, fatigue, stagnation, all released as a soft gray mist, leaving my body forever. Head, my body is wise. My body is self-healing. My body is resilient. I listen to its whispers with love and respect, and it responds with strength and vitality. I choose foods that nourish me deeply, and my body transforms them into pure, vibrant energy, effortlessly. My body is resilient. My body is resilient. I listen to its whispers with love and respect, and it responds with strength and vitality. I choose foods that nourish me deeply, and my body transforms them into pure, vibrant energy effortlessly. My body knocking there. Sleep is my deep nightly healing ritual. I surrender to it easily, and my body uses every moment of rest to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. I wake up each morning feeling refreshed, renewed, and filled with eager, positive energy for the day. My mind and my body are inseparable allies in health. Every positive thought I think creates a chemistry of wellness within me. Every feeling of gratitude I foster strengthens my immune response. Every moment of peace I experience lowers inflammation and allows my body to thrive. I choose thoughts that heal me. I choose emotions that nourish me. Vitality is my natural state, and energy flows to me, through me, and from me in an endless, renewable cycle. I am not drained by life. I am energized by it. Challenges make me stronger. Rest makes me deeper. Joy makes me brighter. I can feel a warmth in my solar plexus now, a sun of personal power and vitality glowing within. And with every heartbeat, this sun pulses, sending waves of golden, vital energy along every nerve pathway to every extremity. My hands are buzzing with this life force. My feet are rooted and buzzing with this life force. A circle of powerful energy is complete within me. I honor my body as the health is not the absence of something. It is the vibrant, powerful presence of life itself. And I am alive, truly, completely, vibrantly alive. I can feel this aliveness now. A hum, a glow, a quiet, powerful thrill of existence in every atom of my being. This feeling is becoming familiar. This state is becoming normal. My nervous system is adopting this as its baseline. Its home and tates its home, man tates. And thou bang tishboid, that more and more niskoar is baseline, and I absolutely a flokrish glapsally. In the day it's so weeks and